Hi, welcome to Information Systems for Management. This is Yang Park. So let me introduce what we're gonna do this summer and probably about 7 or 8 weeks we're gonna have. So hopefully we can learn something really good, even though the time is pretty short. Again, this is Yang Park. People call me Yang or Dr. Park. Right, either way will be fine. In terms of communications, GoView email will be really appreciated. In GoView, the major website has email system and easier than the university email because I can manage this email within GoView, so I don't have to go back and forth. And also, I have online office hours, meaning that you can contact me. Pretty sure I must be, I should be available 9 to 10 Mondays. Of course, other days pretty much available. Okay, but especially Mondays, uh, you can contact me any way you like, right? So make sure you read the syllabus. Okay, it's very important. I know a lot of contents, but you need to familiarize. That's what we're gonna do. Okay. Uh, this is information systems. You know how information system, computer related technology and all other latest technology changes so often. So what we have in the textbook, so no matter how current textbook, usually out of date. There's always something new. So uh, we don't not rely too much on the textbook. So we're trying to use other materials a lot. That's why you're gonna see a lot hands-on or assignment may not be directly from textbook, but it's more of application based. So don't be surprised. You're gonna see something you don't see in the textbook, but I'm sure, I guarantee that they are related to information systems one way or another. And those are the very valuable exercises. Okay, so the requirements, other than textbook, we need to have a Microsoft Office 2016 or higher. Matter of fact, if you go to GSW website and you'll find Microsoft Office 365 is online version of Office 2019 is I believe it is much better because it's updated quite often and should be lighter than 2019, which is full version that you need to install on your desktop. So take advantage of free Microsoft Office 365. All right, so let me go through what we have on GoView website. So if you hit our course first, you'll see announcements. Okay, so make sure you read announcements. Okay, well, I'm not going to post all those little things too much, but I'm going to post very important items. So make sure you read. Okay, and especially those video tutorials and other important information. Then if you click syllabus, you'll see the syllabus. I think right now it's out of link. Uh, Even though I have a syllabus under content. So if you go to content, you'll see the syllabus and other items. Then you can click right there, then you have a syllabus. For some reason, the link is broken. So I'm going to fix it as soon as possible. But, not me, but a webmaster, whoever, should be able to do it. So, all right, so that was content, right? Content. So in the content, you'll see all the modules that we're going to learn. So have organized them by each module. So module is more like a week, like a chapter. Okay. So if you click module 1, for example, not sure this is the instructors. Yeah, this is the instructors view, so you'll see differently. But not really important because education, some are hidden, some are not. But the way the module is organized, you have an overview, then you have a reading materials that you need to do. Uh, Not only PowerPoint, you have other supplemental information and few exercises. Then you have finally some assignment, quizzes, discussions that you need to submit. Okay. So each module have the same structure. So each week make sure finish module, then submit all those exercises, assignment, quizzes, and all that by due date. Okay, due date is right there, written due, right? Quiz didn't say due, but ends June 13, which is same thing, but one you don't it does not it would not close the last date or due date, but the other one will be closed, so you cannot submit at all. So that's the difference. But now it'll show exactly what date you need to submit. Okay, and if you click assessment, you have assignment, so that you go directly to the assignments. If you click grades, it'll go to grades. Then you'll see all items for your grades, as you can see. Quizzes, you can directly access the quizzes, but again at the same time you can access the quiz from each module. Okay, it's the same thing. Then if you click communication, you have chat, class list, discussions, so they're like discussion boards, so you can directly go to discussions. As you can see, introduction, you're going to introduce yourself. That's due 6/10, June 10th. Discussion 1 is due June 13. Discussion 2 uh, July 2nd, and so forth. Okay. Email, right? You can click email there, or you can just directly click to this message email. In case your first time with Georgia View, Go View, the way creating or compose emails is a little different, but you'll get it because you need to select the recipient first. But the way select is a little different. It's not like an email address you're going to type it in, because email address is a little tricky. So you need to find it from address book. So you go to address book, then you go through the list, then you click the person you're going to send to, like here, click the checkbox. Then you need to click one more thing right there, to. So it'll select you're going to send to this person. Well, of course, you can do CC, BCC, but you need to click one of these. Again, then you need to click add recipient. Then it'll add the actual recipient. Then, of course, you're going to type it in whatever, just like other email program. Okay, so that's the only difference. A little tricky there, but you'll get it soon. And ProctorU link is there so that you can connect to ProctorU directly. You can make a schedule with them and other things with the ProctorU. Also, free tutoring is available. I think it's using tutor.com. So you can directly go to tutor.com, make a schedule with them. I think for this course, we can take advantage of Excel tutoring. They have some Excel tutoring available so that you can work with them if you want it. Of course, I'll be here to help you out. All right, so that's how our website works. And go back to PowerPoint. ProctorU, right? ProctorU. Let me show you ProctorU information on GSW. So if you go to GSW ProctorU page, show you how to start, equipment you need, scheduling, and of course FAQ. Right, it's all there. So you're gonna read. You're gonna have to read, a few minutes before you start. All right, grading components. So we have two tests and final. They're all ProctorU tests. The dates are here. I believe it'll be two dates. Let me go back. Syllabus. Where's first? Oops. No, this is spring. Where's my summer? Okay, too many links. As you can see, each ProctorU will last two dates. Two, two. Okay, all right. So you have 2 dates to take each test. Weekly assignments, about seven of them. Hands-on, more hands-on, because weekly assignment tend to be more writing or research, but hands-on is more of Excel, Google, database. Discussions using discussion board, quizzes, rather short, and multiple choices quizzes. Okay, and especially your first time with GoView and images, if you having issues, technical problems, um, the best way is just contact GoView. Of course, I'll be here to help you out. But other things like tutoring, just mention tutor.com with Excel and accessibility services. So if you are qualified, if you need accommodations, let us know so that we can make some arrangement. Okay? Academic integrity, that's very important. From time to time, we have some issues because some of us trying to submit assignment or whatever materials, make use others like word for word without changing, or sometimes just little changes. So very obvious they did make copies from somebody else's. Then you're gonna get 0 for that assignment. If it happens again, second time, then you'll receive F in this course. Okay. In case you're wondering, we are using Turnitin service, which is prevention, what they call plagiarism prevention and detection system. Really hard to say it is really plagiarism because it just detects how similar those two materials. But anyway, they give us some indication of how things are not, you know. So let me show you. Oops, I think I made the changes. There you go. All right, so this is one of the assignment's mission. And as you can see, when you turn it in, when when we have your assignments received, then you will have what they call Turnitin similarity index. So the higher, as you can see, some are low, some are higher, so you get those red alert. So there's some indication that may be copied from something else. So the higher, the worse, basically. Okay. So if the number is higher, like 30, 40, 50 above, then I'm gonna go and open up and see what you get, see what we get, because it'll give us where these materials come from, which sections are exactly the same, give us some information. So as you can see, these are the list of things that made a copy from, so I can compare with original document. All right. The point is that just do your work. Okay. Just spend just a few more minutes, and it's not the quantity quality. So try to work it out for you. Okay. And most important thing, let me know if you have any questions. Okay, just don't try to figure it out yourself too much, too long by yourself. Just let me know. Okay, I'm here to help you out. So, if you have any questions again, also I'll see you. I'll see you